I'm Peter. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Duan. Accuracy is non-negotiable. At PD Tech, we ensure your records are IRD ready and perfectly reconciled.
Watch this video to explore the Depreciation Schedule Report. Run the depreciation schedule to review your fixed assets, movements, and depreciation values for a period. Click on Reporting, then select All Reports. Using the search bar, search for the Depreciation Schedule Report, then select the report. Use the date range to choose a reporting period. We'll use this financial year for our example. You can customize the report by clicking on the Columns drop-down and selecting which columns to show or hide in the report. We'll click Disposed to show the disposal date in the report. You can also change the layout of the report by clicking the Grouping Summarizing menu, then selecting the option to view the information in the way that suits you. Then, click Filter to refine the results of the report. For example, this can be useful if you use tracking categories and want to filter by a tracking option. Click Update to view the report with the changes you've made. We can see the fixed asset cost, depreciation, and the closing value.